Hello guys! Ito po yung handa namin nung New Year. Unang-una ito po yung prosperity bowl namin. Tapos ito yung mga 13 fruits namin. Tapos ito yung mga lucky bamboos at saka mga candles namin. Ito po yung mga ginagawa namin tuwing New Year. Ayan po, ayan. Merong asukal, asin, mantika, water, at saka yung mga gold coins. At saka yung bigas din guys, pinupuno namin as part of our ritual. Then ito yung mga desserts namin guys, o diba, o. Konti lang naman yan guys, okay? So yung mga macarons, ito yung mga ulam namin, yan, soft drinks, chicken cordon, lumpia, fried chicken, ham, mga fruits, ayan, wine, at saka ito yung design namin no sa backdraft namin, yung Happy New Year 2024. Thank you so much Lord for all the blessings. At saka syempre ito po yung bida, yung lechon baboy namin. Thank you so much Lord for all the blessings that we have received in 2023, and of course we are still very very much happy to welcome 2024 with so much joy and gratefulness, and of course many many more blessings, good health and long life. Thank you so much Lord for all of this.